Today, we're installing undercover padding and clips on a LOOP-LOC safety cover. First, you will need a CLIP-LOC undercover padding kit, which includes a roll of padding and 6 clips. Unroll the padding so it's flat on the deck. Make sure the cover is already installed and properly tensioned before adding CLIP-LOC padding. Next, with 2 or more people, carefully slide the padding underneath each of the lock straps along the entire length of the pool. Ensure the padding is straight, flattened, and smooth under each of the straps along the entire length of the pool. Remove the adhesive backing from the clips and place the sticky side on the underside of the padding so that the edge of the padding lines up with the edge of the clip. Repeat the process for the other clips, spacing them evenly along the side of the padding. Then, move the padding down so that the clips hold on to the webbing of the safety cover. Repeat the process for the rest of the clips around the pool. If you need help with installation, contact your local pool professional.